What's up, Power Girls? So ngayon guys, mag-guess emoji kami. Challenge to guys. Di kanya. Ataw mo kasi. Sige no. Superman. Spider-Man. Batman. Ko nauna ni. Iron Man. I'm the I'm Sadness. Flash. Ako si Sadness. Iron Man. Si Hawk. Ay, hindi. Hawk. Si Hawk. Ay, hindi. Ha? Sino yan? Ayaw niyan. Ay, lahat ba yun? Bigla ko lang. Orange. Oranges.
Before we continue, your phone is probably being spied on. To find out, click the arrow at the very bottom right and swipe right and select more options. There is a full radar app deleted by the way, which produced this.
Apple? Nope. Apple? Nope. Ay. Kalay. Avocado. Ulagila.
Please like and follow if you get first three answers correct. Guess this one.
Banana.
Sabi niya lang.
Guess this one.
Strawberry. Strawberry red.
Get ready for your last question. Please save this with the comment your score below. Guess this one.
Grapes. KFC.
You guess this logo.
Nagpaabot din ito ng pakikiramay sa mga nagdamay at nasawit sa insidente. Kaugnay niya na ito ang bahagi ng naging pahayag ni US President Joe Biden.
Burger King. Burger King. Ba ako Target. Walmart. Target. Walmart.
Please like and follow if you get first three answers.
Ikaw lang nanonood, hindi ako ganun. Starbucks. Ang dali-dali. Tapos yung
Which brand logo is this?
McDonald's.
Can you guess this logo?
Like.
Nike. Get ready for your last question. Please save this quiz and comment your score below. Can you guess this logo?
Coca-Cola.
Answer B, Coca-Cola. Can you guess this logo?
And guess the cartoons na naman. Guess the cartoons. Bakit? Bakit lang? Wait lang guys. May iisip lang kami. So guys, meron na kaming nakitang laro. Okay? Ready ka na ba? Ako muna magtatanong ha. Ako muna magtatanong. What's your favorite? What is your favorite shoes? 3, 2, 1, night! Ikaw naman tanong. What is your favorite color? 3, 2, 1, pink! Pink. Ayun, pink. Kasi yung bahay ko guys, pink lahat, diba? Ayun. Ako na, what's your favorite What's your favorite design with? What is your favorite design with t-shirt? 3, 2, 1, Kuromi. Kuromi. Wednesday. Wednesday. Kasi may black. Ikaw naman tanong. What is your favorite t-shirt? 3, 2, 1. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. And oversized kasi yung favorite ko din. Oversized. Yung gagantin nyo. Ako naman yung tatanong. What's your favorite phone? 3, 2, 1, iPhone. Itel yan. Itel yung phone niya, guys. Pero yung favorite ko talaga, iPhone and Vivo. Ikaw naman tanong.
Ang naturang babala, kakibat yan ng mga payo para sa pag-iingat o karagdag ang mga pag-iingat.
What is
Unang
your
iulat na
favorite
siya ang
shape?
patuloy na pamamagaan
3,
ng
2,
pagkakas.
1, start.
Lipat na magdamag. Sa ating at obserbasyon ng
Ako naman. What's your favorite movies? 3 movies. Ready na? Movies, guys. What's your favorite movies? What is your 3, 2, 1, Lampot. Lampot. Lampot? Ay, Ikaw nang tanong, tatapos ko yung tanong eh. Ha? Oo. Lang. Ako ba? Ayaw ko nga. What is your favorite? Dog. Dog? Dog. Okay lang. 3, 2, 1, Sky. Sa papot. Ay, hindi. ASCII din. ASCII. Sky eh. Sky. Yan, my favorite. Si Sky. What's your favorite color with t-shirt? 3, 2, 1, red. Black. Black na naman ang ko. What's your favorite color with t-shirt? Tangan black. Hindi yung favorite color. What's your pinaka-favorite? Ay, ikaw na. Ikaw lang ba? What's your favorite teddy bears? 3, 2, 1, Bear. Mama Bear. Ako niya ang yung panda. Panda. Wait lang guys, may kukunin lang siya guys ah. May kukunin lang siya. Hintayin ko na lang siya guys. So ngayon guys, hindi na pa kami maglalaro. Sige na guys, bukas naman. Peace out. Subscribe. Bye bye.